everyone!
Hi everyone!
Welcome back to BeeDee Studios. Today is our crafting session of Easter.
We're celebrating spring.
Spring is in the air. So, what are we making? What did you start making already? You've been practicing.
I've been practicing. It's a wire bunny.
Let me take it to the camera. Because we're both sitting down, nobody's filming, we're filming ourselves. It's a wire bunny. It's gonna be so cute. We're gonna put clothes on her.
She's gonna have a dress and everything.
And we have our ribbons over here. We're just gonna do lots and lots of bunnies and Easter ideas. I want to do like a paper mache with a cream bottle that I have. Yep. I want to do some bunnies with these blocks of wood. We also want to do bunnies with corks. Can't wait to get started on that. And follow along, and we're gonna start making delicious stuff. We're gonna film it, and then at the end, we're probably gonna raffle everything. So stay tuned, and happy spring. Fred. Not Fred. It's not
Ricky.
Fred.
Ricky.
Here's Ricky. I was thinking Flintstones. Here's Lucy. Aww. Lucy and Ricky. Let me show you the fine details that Dee Dee did. Look at all that delicious beadwork. And the button. And her little feetsies. He is so cute too. He's nice and fluffy here in the middle. We did stuffing. And now we're moving on to the next one. Ta-da! Next project will be an upcycled coffee mate bottle. Will be a rabbit. I am going to be using floral wire for the ears. And then I'm going to tape all the armature on here with tape. Then we're gonna use Mod Podge. We're gonna apply old pieces of napkins that I have when I clean up my art. I like to keep them. Again, it is not hoarding, people.
Say that into the camera.
It's not hoarding, it's inventory. I always tell you that's inventory.
She's starting without me again.
Sorry. I have problem with my attenzione. I don't know. I saw this on Pinterest, so, but it didn't have the instructions on how to do it, so.
I think it's adorable.
I'm gonna do whatever I want. I am going to add a little hot glue just to give stability to the ears. That's a good one. We'll use this one. right, so here's our next project. I've got this block of wood I've had for a while, so that the bunny face is gonna go right here. I'm gonna add ears with this piece of burlap that has hardened by applying Mod Podge. You apply Mod Podge, let it sit, and it gets really, really hard. So the idea is to cut out bunny ears, and then I'll attach them back here with maybe a tack or something. And then that's it, and then I'll make a little face. We're done with our Easter project, and it's so pretty. This is our closing scene of our little family. Look how cute. These are champagne corks that we decorated with wire and with pipe cleaners. These are wire work that Dee Dee did, and then she sewed the outfit. Here's our boy with overalls, and here's our girl. She's so cute. You can bend the legs straight up, you can lie her down, you do whatever you want. There she is. And here's our little bunny. He is set on a block of wood. Look, he's got his own little tail feather. I thought they came out really, really cute. And then this is made from an old bottle of creamer, coffee creamer. So we are going to be raffling these or giving them away. So if you're interested, all we ask for is a $5 donation, and we're going to be donating it to our Relay for Life American Cancer Society team that we have. It's called Team Disney Princesses. So if you're interested and you're not here locally, reach out to us and we'll figure out the logistics of how to get it to you and how you can pay us. But I think for $5, this is so cute for Easter, or $5 for the little family set, or $5 for him or her. But this one, I have more plans for it, and it'll be up at our Etsy store. I was going for a very vintage.
And everything's upcycled.
And everything is upcycled. So obviously champagne corks, and this was an old piece of wood, and this is actually fabric we had left from making masks back in 20 and 21. So everything has been upcycled, so I'm really excited about that. So again, thank you for watching. Happy spring, happy Easter. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and always comment. It helps us grow our channel. So again, if you're interested, reach out to us in the comments below, and we will figure out the logistics if you're not here in the local area. All right, see you next time for more crafting, arting adventures. Stay focused, stay centered, stay creative. Bye.